Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, and I do really love the granite color. It looks fantastic. You do have that Laramie grille right up front in the chrome. It looks awesome. And you do have your park sensors there with your chrome bumper. Now it does also have projector style headlights right there, very bright. And you do also have your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Those rims look fantastic in the chrome. They stand out nicely. And there's still lots of tread left on those tires as well. You do have the running boards along the bottom, and you do also have your lights right there in the chrome as well. They look great. Now coming around to the back, you do have a 5-foot box. Looks great. You have the 4x4 logo in the Laramie, as well as you have the dual exhaust pipes. You do have the chrome back here as well as the parking sensors, and you do have your backup camera hanging out there. And we can just open this guy up right here. Looks great back here, lots of room, and it does have the box liner as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter. It'll get it all started up for you and all warm in there. Real nice. Now, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if it's locked, you can just have the key on your person, put your hand in there, and it does unlock. You also have the button there to lock it if you did want. Now, on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, all right here, and this guy does bring in the mirrors. Then you also have a bit of chrome accenting here. You have a handle here and some storage, as well as more storage and a water bottle holder there. Very nice interior. It is a leather interior. Looks fantastic. Got the Laramie logo there. You do have some cream stitching along it as well. Now down here you do have the electric seat, so backward and forward, the tilt, lumbar support, and memory there. And then right here we do have our controls over our lights, so our off, our auto, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as you press them in for your fog lights and your in-cabin lights just down here. Then right up here we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and our windshield wipers. Okay, keys are just sitting in the center. Just put your foot on the brake, press the button, and you're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature. We have our battery and our oil up there as well. It does also say how many kilometers we have, only 46,000, not too many at all. It also tells us which way we're facing, the temperature outside, our range, and our liters per 100 kilometers. And then we also can change it around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, our trip A and B. We also have our trailer tow options, our audio. We also have the stored messages, screen setup, and then you are back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out, horn in the center, and cruise control options on the other side. And around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down here with the source changer in the center, and on the other side there is an identical one for your channel. Now we do have right here our controls over our gears, so just like that. Then you also have your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, your auto, and your 2-wheel there. And when you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera, which is ever so useful right there. Now, it is an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media devices right here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. Then you have your controls over heated and vented seats for you and your passenger, and your heated steering wheel, as well as your mirror dimmer. You got your climate control here, so it is a dual climate system. You and your passengers can have different levels of hot or cold. Then you have your navigation over here. If you hit the view map, you can see we are in Wreck Place, of course. Then you got your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your settings there. Down here we do also have the all sorts of different controls. So we have volume up and down. We have our mute here. We have our screen off, hazard lights, back button, and browser over there. AC, circulation, heat up and down. You have the power, the off, the auto, and then you also have your front and rear defrost right here. Down here we have our trailer brake. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode, front and rear park assist, on and off. Then you have your heated and vented seats and your heated steering wheel there. Some storage right here. You get some more storage in here with a place for your phone to hang out. Then you have some cup holders there, and the armrest in the center, and it does double as a storage container right here. You have some coin holders here, and you have right over here an SD card slot, an aux cord, and two USB plugins. Close that guy up. Lift this up, tons of room right down there as well. Then over here we do have a dual layer glove box, so top layer and bottom layer right there. Looks fantastic. Up top you do have the controls over your sunroof and your little window in the back, and then also your universal garage door opener right there. Your sunroof looks fantastic, lets in tons of light. Let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have the chrome accenting on the handle. You got some wood accents up here, a handle here, and another one, and some storage here, as well as some more storage just down there. And you got tons of room back here as well. It looks great. It is leather back here as well. Very comfortable. You can fold this down right here, and you got an armrest with some cup holders in it. Then you can also fold this up like this, and you got some storage just underneath there. On the other side, you can lift it up, but there is a subwoofer under there to blast your music. You can also fold this down just like this. Then you got some place to put some stuff on top of a nice flat surface. You can do the same with the other side as well. And then as well, you do have some storage just under the floor mats here, if you did need more. And you do also have heated seats back here, right there for the people in the back. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.